My
Yeah.
name is Mohammed, and
Nice to meet you, Mohammed.
yeah, Hannah, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you today?
I'm doing great. You're from UK,
Yes, I am from the UK.
and what time? I believe it's morning, right?
Yes, it's 9 o'clock right now in the morning, yeah.
Okay. So, what do you do, Hannah? What's your profession?
This is my profession. So I teach English on Cambly and
Can you
also
teach
on
me
a
something?
Yes, of course. What would you like me to teach you?
Like the experience of your life,
The experience. What do you mean?
like how to be happy.
How to be happy?
Yes,
Uh, for me, I guess from my experience, the key to happiness is food, good people, and I also like traveling quite a lot as well when I can. What about you? What's the key to happiness for you?
just have a smile on face.
Ah, good. That's very nice. And where are you from, Mohammed?
I'm from New Delhi, India.
Ah, have you
Yes.
always lived in New Delhi?
It's been 10 years I've been living, and I'm from eastern part of India, which is 700 miles from New
Mhm.
Delhi. And
Okay.
for the job purpose, I came to Delhi. It's been 10 years. And right now, I'm working for the US customers for the last 10
Hmm.
years. And English is my passion. And that's why I joined Cambly because I want to improve my English language as much as possible. I'm also
Mhm.
a public speaker, and I want to gain some confidence. And I thought Cambly is the best platform to learn and to grow my confidence. So that's why I'm here.
Excellent. Have you had many lessons on Cambly before?
Yeah, I joined Cambly 2 months ago, but I was not active. I went to my
Uh-huh.
hometown, my village, for just for 40 days as a vacation.
Mhm.
You can say annual vacation, and I enjoyed my
Okay.
time. I came back, and today is my fourth session
Aha.
after 40 days
So,
of lagging.
okay. And you said that you enjoy public speaking. What do you speak about publicly?
In public speaking, here there's a community center, and I go there, and people, group together. They are given a topic, and this is a small stage performance. It's not a big stage, and you don't have a
Mhm.
crowd. You have a like 20 people, and you are given a special topic, whatever you have interest in, and they may ask you questions, or maybe they can ask you questions related to your personal life or your job experiences, your business experiences, or the struggle of your life, or
Mm.
whatever you have done in the past. What could be your future plan? All you may be asked, and you have to say and demonstrate. So this is my passion, and I have been doing it, and I hope I'm just going on the right path because I'm improving, and I get confidence while I just do stage performances.
Excellent. That's really cool. And what kind of things? What is your special topic or your special interest that you like to talk about when you speak publicly?
See, when I go for the public speaking, I just tell especially about my struggles of life, and people say that I'm a kind of a motivational speaker, but
Uh-huh.
somewhere I don't think so. But my struggle of life somewhere motivates you, and somewhere it inspires you to do something in your life. So people say that you should be a motivational speaker. I say yes, of course I will be, but yes, first I'm just gaining the confidence, and and I'm used to learn and speak and how to pronounce the words correctly in English, so that people through or the international people can understand me. So this is
Mhm.
my journey, and I'm working on it.
Excellent. Well, I have to say, from speaking to you so far, your English is very, very strong, very high level, and your pronunciation and accent are very, very clear.
Thank you so much.
Uh,
Yes.
so have confidence in this at least,
Yes.
because it's very, very good. Aha. And how long have you been doing this public speaking for?
See, I can say 10 years ago when I started learning English, because English
Uh-huh.
is all about our second language. in India,
Uh-huh.
and we don't have a partners, or we don't have a, such an environment where you can, constantly talk in English with the people.
Yes.
So 10 years ago, when I started learning, and I participated in debate session, or group discussion, or public
Yes.
speaking. So after 2 or 3 years, I came back to Delhi. I started my job. 5 years I spent in the job, and after that I established my own company. It took me five
Mm,
years. Yes. So after my 10 years of age, 10 years of experience, I just recently joined the same community center where I can just because I realized that I need public speaking, because somewhere it's my passion. So I joined
mhm.
there and just started 6 months ago, and I'm just working on it.
Excellent.
Yes.
And what are some of the things that you're interested in, Mohammed?
I love to watch Hollywood movies,
Wow.
and web series on Netflix. Recently, I have watched several web series, including Vikings. They
Oh,
used to
yes,
they used to attack on England, and
I know.
yes,
Many,
and
many years ago.
many years ago, yes, and Game of Thrones, House of Dragon, and Money Heist, and
Excellent
yeah,
choice.
these all are I have watched so far
Ah,
since I came back from my vacation. So I'm trying to make myself busy for my business. So right now I'm
nice.
not watching. Maybe in future, if I
Uh,
get a leisure time, I should start watching once again. Yes,
uh-huh. Did you call them rhapsodies?
it's a
Rhapsodies. Or
web
is that
series.
web series?
Yes,
Aha,
yeah,
aha.
like Vikings.
Yes, perfect.
Yes,
I thought you said rhapsodies. I thought I'd not heard that before, but web series, yes. Yes, I've heard of that before. Aha. Oh, well, I've also watched Game of Thrones and House of Dragon or
yeah,
House of the Dragon. They're fantastic series.
yes.
Aha. And what else do you like to do then in your free time? I know that you're very busy and dedicated to your work.
I play with my kids.
Uh-huh.
I'm a father of two kids, and I have a daughter and I have a son. He is
Mhm.
just 1 year old, and I spend my time with them mostly because I have to play my role as a father and
Mm,
give time to my kids. Right. So when I get myself free, I enjoy my time with them.
lovely. What
Yes.
are some things that you like to do together as a
Yes.
family? What do you do together?
We watch television, or we
Yeah.
just play, with the toys.
Yeah, yeah.
And I have to be as a kid, being in with my kids. I have to play as a role of kid, to play with
Hmm.
them. You know,
So true.
yes. So this is all I do, and I never got these experience. It comes automatically. It's a natural phenomenon that when you become father or mother, you get to learn all things somewhere.
Mhm,
Yes.
mhm. Are your family a big motivator for your work and your public
No,
speaking?
in this case, in this situation, I'm all alone, because my family, as much I can say proudly that I am the most educated person in my whole family, in my
Hmm.
generation family, you can say.
Oh, wow.
Yes, nobody was as educated as I am right now, and my family is especially not too much educated to guide me or instruct me I'm doing right now, or what I should be achieving in my future, or in my
Hmm.
career. So they, as a family, they could support me, but especially for the business or for the jobs,
Yeah.
they are no, they cannot help me. Yes.
Okay. And in terms of the future, what does your future look like? What are your goals for the future?
See, generally, I don't plan for the future,
Mm,
because as I heard one thing yesterday, that when we make plans, and God loves, because plan doesn't work according to our plans.
mm,
So whatever, I have so many ideas, but for the execution, I have so many plans, but it doesn't work as in the direction as I want it to be. So I stop planning. I just make myself busy for finding the solutions to everyday's problems.
okay.
yeah, when once you find the solutions to the everyday's problems, your life would be easy for you.
Mm-hmm.
So even Elon Musk says that keep yourself busy and do the things in which you feel yourself comfortable and you have interest in,
Mm-hmm.
and success will be always for you there.
I
So I
like that.
don't, yeah, I don't basically plan. I don't have a time for planning for the future because I planned before, but then didn't work for me.
Mm-hmm.
Yes,
So it's more maybe taking things one step at a time and hope that they lead to where you want them to lead to.
exactly. Yes.
Hmm. I like that. I think that's a good way to go
Yeah.
about life. Uh-huh. And tell me about your education. So you did you go to university?
I have done my master's in computer
Ah,
science. Yes, you can
wow.
say master in computer application. In
Hmm.
India, it says M, C, and A.
Aha. Lovely.
It you'll be taught how to design and develop a software. Basically, I'm in the sales. I
Hmm.
talk with the people and I sell the packages. I convince customers, especially for the US, and I just rank their websites on Google and on Bing search engines. Let's
Hmm.
suppose you have a business, you need a website, so you contact me, and I will tell you the plans which plan suits you better for your business, and we sign the contract, and I start working for you for the last for the next 6 months, and you will see tremendous changes to your websites, and you will generate revenues because you're going to find traffic on your own websites, and you start getting money. So this is all I do.
That's a really cool job. And
Yes.
this is your own business?
Yes.
Excellent. And how are your interactions with people from the US? How do you find
I
the
can
US
say
market?
every day some, yeah, US market is a big market, and
Uh-huh.
whatever I am today because of the US market, and I have earned lots of money, and but unfortunately I invested those monies in cryptocurrencies, like
Uh,
buying bitcoins.
mhm.
And last year I invested more than $100,000
Wow.
in the Bitcoin. Now the market crashed, and now the portfolio of my $100,000 is just 80% vanished.
Oh
That
dear.
means it's gone.
Mhm.
Yes, but I'm working to get more. So, uh, answer to the question, U.S. market gave me lots of things in the
Mhm.
terms of money and terms of confidence and in the terms of understanding the work, how it goes, especially globally. So
Mhm.
I appreciate, and people are very good, very nice. They are very honest to do business with.
Okay. That's
Yes.
interesting. And do you ever do business with people from other parts of the world, or is it mainly America?
Just US because my business is also registered in Georgia in US.
Mhm.
So I do, even I got the bank accounts, so it's easy to target the US customers and deal with them, and rather than doing business with other countries. But yeah, it's easy for me because I understood every, the ins and outs and everything. I understood how it goes and how it works. So it's not challenging for me to start business with other countries. It's easy for
Mhm.
me to understand and concept and start working with them. But I, for now, as I'm just working for the US.
Okay. And have
Yes.
you visited the US as well?
No, ma'am. I just applied for the visa, and it was
Uh,
canceled, 2017 before
yes.
pandemic situations, because I
Mhm.
know for what reason, but they didn't tell me for what reason they canceled it. Yes.
Hard to get an American visa.
Yes.
Very, very
And now
hard
we
to
are
get.
running out of time.
I
So
know. But it was lovely to
I
speak
did
to you
not get
today,
the chance
Mohammed.
to ask many questions to you.
But if you have some more minutes, you can ring me back.
Okay.
Well, it was lovely to meet you, Mohammed. Have a
Thank you so
lovely day.
much. How was
Bye.
my speaking feedback?
Your speaking is excellent, if I'm being completely honest.
Mhm.
Um, I would say no mistakes. Your accent is clear, so you should feel very
Merry
confident.
Christmas. Bye.
Merry Christmas. Bye.